Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Riders Republic game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable air control while you are riding within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riders Republic game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing, if you wish to change your air control settings, then simply pause your game by pressing the start button or the escape button on your keyboard. Then go into options. And now within the gameplay tab, you will find various settings, including the air control for your bike, as well as your boards and skis. This is set to on by default, which will allow us to control our vehicles while we are in the air. If you wish to turn off the air control, you can simply switch the toggle and set it to off. If the grind mode is set to auto, then you can very well turn both of these settings to off, because it will not have much use unless you use the manual grind mode. After you have chosen your desired setting for your air controls, just go back and your changes will be saved. And now you can continue to play your game with your chosen air control settings applied. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to modify your air control features on the Riders Republic game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.